At Thambal, Shanglen, Nethe Park to take Imphal following Chief Minister Khemchand'S meeting with Prime Minister and Union Cabinet Ministers yesterday. The meeting reportedly deliberated on matters discussed between the Chief Minister and central government leaders during his visit to Delhi. Notably, Khemchand's had called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Cabinet Ministers discussing several matters related to Manipur, including state cabinet expansion. He returned to the state around 4:30 p.m. yesterday after the meetings.